So DJI may be testing two new action cameras right now, the DJI Osmo Nano 2 and Osmo Action 7, giving us our first real look at DJI's next generation cameras. But while the photos are interesting, the bigger question is what these cameras could actually bring to the table. These leaked images were shared by X-Drone Studio, and these appear to be physical prototypes being tested in the real world. That doesn't mean the final products will look exactly like this, but it does suggest DJI is actively working on both cameras. Starting with the Nano 2, there's actually very little confirmed information beyond the prototype itself. The original Osmo Nano launched in September 2025, so we're now approaching a year since its release, making a successor being in development fairly reasonable. The original Nano is DJI's tiny wearable camera designed around a small camera module that can be attached to clothing and other surfaces. So with the Nano 2, I'd expect DJI to focus on improving that concept rather than completely changing it. Better low light performance, longer recording time, and improved thermal management would make a lot of sense. Interestingly, there seems to be what looks like a vent on the Nano 2 prototype which could potentially be related to cooling. But that's only an observation from the images, not confirmation of what DJI is actually doing internally. The Action 7 is a little easier to predict because we know what DJI is coming from. The Osmo Action 6 introduced a 1/1.1 inch sensor and variable aperture, so DJI already made a pretty significant hardware jump with the previous generation. For the Action 7, the big rumors include higher resolution recording, potentially 8K, faster frame rates, improved stabilization, and better image processing. As for the launch, the current expectation is late 2026, with October or November looking like the more likely window based on DJI's previous Action series release pattern. There is still no official DJI announcement though, so right now the most meaningful information isn't an alleged 8K mode or some rumored megapixel count, it's the fact that both cameras appear to exist as physical prototypes, and that's everything we know so far about the DJI Nano 2 and Action 7. We're still waiting for more concrete details, but with these prototypes now surfacing, it shouldn't be too long before we learn more. I'll keep you updated as new leaks come out. Peace.